let's take a look at brim finishing options for hats you've blocked in felt and straw. So this wool felt fedora here is an example of the simplest way to finish a brim. If you can see here, it's just cut raw on the edge where the edge of the brim is supposed to be. Very sleek, but not very stable. This fedora, I love this two-tone piece together hood, or hat body rather. If you feel the edge of this, well, I am feeling the edge of this, there is a wire inside of here, and the edge has been cut about a ½ inch away from the brim edge and then turned up over that wire. So this is a very stable finished edge, but you do have the top stitching to secure that fold. This one, it's not an example on the brim. The brim is just folded up and top stitched, but the edge finishing on this trim is something that I've seen on brims before as well, where you do lines of decorative stitching without folding the edge. So you keep the thinness of a single ply of felt, but you add the stability of the machine stitching. Now what about straw? So straw is a little different than felt because it'll fray. So when you cut the edge, you have to stay stitch it first, about a ½ inch away from the edge. And this example shows the simplest way to finish a straw edge, where it's been stay stitched a ½ inch away from the edge of the brim and then folded up over a wire for stability. So this is about as sleek and finished of an edge you can get in straw. Well, I guess you could stay stitch it and then let it fray so it looked like a stylized sort of hillbilly hat. But anyway, this turning it up over a wire and stitching it is a simple way to finish a straw hat brim. Now this hat, they've done it differently in that they've cut it. I'm sure they must have stay stitched it inside of here so it didn't fray. Cut it on the brim edge and then used a bias binding to finish that off for a nice little style line element. So that is also an option in finishing the edge of a straw hat brim.